today we're talking about how do you know when you need a new roof? Now, you're an experienced guy, right? Project manager. You've been around a long time. Like, how do you know when you need a new roof? I mean,
Well, there is a couple of factors. The one is gonna, playing up against your roof.
I think the first one is when your neighbors start bitching at you, saying, "Hey, man, change that nasty looking roof."
Yeah, that's one of them. But when number one is if you notice a bunch of water stains on your ceiling, probably that is a sign of you need a new roof. Also, if you know there's been like a recently storm in your area, that can mean you need a new roof. No necessarily has to be
So what you're
leaking.
talking about is there may be some hidden damage.
Exactly.
Right, like if
some
we have a
storm
hailstorm-
like hailstorm or
Yeah.
just like kind of windstorm, especially if you have that kind of single ply 3-tap shingle, probably
Right.
that shingle is easier to get damaged by by just wind.
Yeah, because they're not very hardy. So wind and hail can really 3-tap shingles are susceptible to damage very easily.
Yeah,
right?
and then also if you know your roof, your shingles are more than 15 years old, probably you're gonna need a new roof, especially if you have again this building product.
Yeah, so
3-tap.
really chronologically, if my roof is 15, 20 years old, it's a 3-tap single ply shingle.
Yeah,
that's really much the end of the shingle's
The
life.
end of the life.
Anyway,
Mhm.
right? So yeah, how about when I see these
The
granular aggregate coming out of my gutter?
Yeah,
What's
that's
going on there?
that is another another sign also. The one probably is like kind of screaming you, hey, your roof needs attention. All you gotta do is just to hire a roofing contractor to do an inspection. Sometimes it's not only like your shingles are old, probably whoever installed those shingles, they did a poor installation. If they did like kind of misinstallation on that roof, that can probably needs to be replaced prematurely, let's say like after 8 years. If you have like a bunch of leaks on your roof, that don't mean the roof is old. It's just like probably that roof was installed incorrectly.
Right. And let me stop right there for a quick minute. Mm-hmm. So a misapplication would be, for example, contractor comes in, you've got a single ply product, they turn their compressors way up so they can put more guys on your roof to put the roof on more quickly, but they end up half shooting through the shingle product. So now the shingle's compromised. When it rains out, you don't have a proper seal, so water's coming into your roofing cavity that way. Or the shingles are just blowing off the roof.
Yeah, probably
because they have shot through the product, right?
Exactly. They can be like kind of nailing too high, where they don't. If they don't nail it in the correct spot on the shingle,
yes,
those shingles, they're gonna fall off the roof prematurely.
Obvious, but I would say one of the other things you mentioned, or a few of the other things, if there's a hailstorm, most people don't. Me personally, before I got in this business, if there was a hailstorm, I didn't think twice about it. I didn't think, oh my gosh, I need a new roof. I just kept on about my business, exactly. Right? But when that hail impacts your shingle, it's doing damage to that shingle.
It's doing damage.
And in a lot of cases, you need a professional, like one of our guys, like you, for example,
exactly,
to come out and do a complete inspection and determine whether or not this roof needs to be replaced.
Yeah, and hail damage is not really easy to notice. Like, you need to know what you are looking for.
Now, let me ask you this. Is that covered by insurance?
100%.
The first thing I would do, number one, call a professional. Have them come out and inspect your roof. The second thing is we work with a public adjuster. They work directly for us, right? So if you have a claim, right, you don't have to fight with your insurance company. We will fight for you and make sure that if you have a legitimate claim that your insurance company covers it. Because one thing that some of these companies do is they'll deny your claim automatically, right?
Oh my God, that's so stressful. Like, it's too much stress when you have to file an insurance claim about your roof.
I mean, there's any number of ways to determine if you need a new roof, but a lot of it is just common sense. You see a water stain on your ceiling inside,
stain, your
as you
roof
said, granular aggregate coming through your downspout, missing and broken shingles, right? If you have a pair of binoculars, right, and you're able to view your roof up close from the ground, right? You want to look for your plumbing vents. Is that neoprene seal around your plumbing pipes, is that dry rotted and cracked? Can you, if you can see inside your roofing cavity through a cracked plumbing seal on your plumbing boot, well, so can the rain. The rain can go right in there.
Yeah,
And then,
or sometimes they only can use, get on the attic. Then most of the times, when I come to do like kind of inspection, because houses are like with water stains in the ceiling, when I walk up to the attic, I can see daylight through those pipes, like in the base.
well, let me ask you this, right? If I don't have any stains on my ceilings inside my home, could my roof be leaking?
100%. The water comes outside in. So you have your shingles. The water has to travel through your shingles, through your underlayment, through your roof deck, and then finally it's gonna start dripping into your insulation. It can pass probably days or months before you even see the water stain.
Exactly right. And really, the most insidious part of this whole process is it could travel between your roof deck and your shingle layer, right? And then by the time it gets inside, it could actually be dripping into an interior wall, and you may never see it until it's rotted out a significant portion of your framing as well. But that also creates a delicious meal for wood-eating insects because they love wet wood and lumber and framing materials. But at the end of the day, yes, if you think it's time to replace your roof, I would not put it off.
Exactly. Just call Adamson Roofing Company immediately.
Yeah, that's what I would suggest. Call us at 678-424-1919. And while you're doing that, please like and subscribe. Just hit that little button at the end. Trust and believe, if you call us up and we come out, it's going to be the best phone call you ever made if you're looking to get a new roof. We are certified Master Elite. We are AAA plus rated with the Better Business Bureau. We're here if you need us.
Yes.
So anyway, I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
And we are Adamson Roofing Company. We'll see you next time.